Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Solana sniper bot to snipe a token launch. Let's dive in. First, to get started, you'll need to have a Solana wallet. Phantom Wallet is one of the most popular options, so make sure you have it installed and linked to your browser. If you don't have it, go ahead and install it from the official site or App Store. Next, you'll need a Solana sniper bot. There are several bots available, such as Solana Sniper Bot or custom bots created by the community. These bots are designed to help you purchase tokens quickly when they launch, increasing your chances of securing a good price. Once you've chosen a Sniper bot, you need to download and install it. Follow the setup instructions from the bot's official guide. Usually, you'll need to configure your wallet and API keys for the bot to interact with your Phantom wallet. After setting up the bot, configure the parameters for the token launch you want to snipe. You'll need to input the token's contract address, launch time, and the amount of Solana you want to invest. Some bots allow you to set limits on the price you're willing to pay per token. Once your settings are in place, ensure that you have enough Sol in your Phantom wallet to cover the purchase. Double check your wallet address and make sure it's properly linked to the bot. When everything is set up, start the sniper bot before the token launch. The bot will monitor the launch and automatically buy the token as soon as it's available, securing your purchase faster than manual transactions. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Solana sniper bot to snipe a token launch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!